Installation of the Teal Digital Planner for Mac users using the Microsoft Importer tool. This video tutorial for Mac users shows how to install the OneNote Digital Planner on your Mac using the Microsoft Importer tool. When I refer to Apple users, I mean those whose primary device is a Mac desktop or laptop. If you use an iPad as a writing device or have an Android-based tablet or phone, but your main computer is Windows-based, you should follow the installation guide for Windows users. Once you install the planner on your Windows laptop and sync it with OneDrive, you will be able to access it on secondary mobile devices, whether iOS or Android. For the best experience, it's recommended to install the planner first on a PC or Mac laptop. Once you install the planner on your primary device, you can access the Teal Planner on all your mobile devices. Since Microsoft OneNote is cloud-based, saving the planner to OneDrive ensures seamless and reliable access across all your devices, whether you're using a PC, Mac, or Android. When you purchase your digital planner, you will receive a PDF instruction guide containing a link to the shared digital files via Google Drive. Upon opening the shared Google Drive link, you will see two folders, one for Mac and another for Windows users. Each folder contains a file for the Teal Digital Planner, optimized for installation on either Mac or Windows. Navigate to the folder for your primary device and download the appropriate file type. For Mac users in this case, this will be the zip file of the planner. Our PDF manual installation guide provides step-by-step instructions for both Mac and Windows. Simply follow the steps for your device and skip the rest. A quick note: the importer method is also recommended for Windows 10 users in case this is the only version installed on their computer. However, for all other Windows users, the easiest method is to open the .1pkg file. Refer to our video for Windows users and the PDF manual for details. The main installation steps for OneNote Digital Planner for Mac users using OneNote Importer method. Step number 1. Download the planner file. Download the digital planner zip file. Google Chrome may give you a warning stating that the file cannot be previewed or scanned for viruses. These are standard messages for zip files and can be safely ignored. Your downloaded file will typically appear in your Downloads folder. Step number 2. Unzip the planner file. Locate the downloaded zip file and extract files, since you need the extracted folder for the next upload step. Step number 3. Using the Microsoft OneNote Importer tool. The Microsoft OneNote Importer tool was designed to help Apple users transfer content from Evernote to OneNote. The link to the Importer tool was available on Microsoft's official import-export page. But, as of this video, Microsoft has retired the tool. However, at the time of this video, the link still opens and functions, at least in the USA. It appears that in other countries, the tool is no longer functioning, and users see a blank page. If you are unable to access it on your Mac and see a blank page with no purple button, you may need to use a third-party app like OneNote Gem or Outline, which help open native 1pkg files. The links to these third-party apps for Mac users are listed in the PDF manual. Another alternative is to use a Windows-based laptop just once to upload the planner to OneDrive. To summarize, if you see the purple Microsoft button to import, you can proceed as usual. If not, you will need to explore alternative options for opening native OneNote 1pkg files. How to use the Microsoft Importer tool. The Microsoft Importer tool link can be found in the PDF manual. Use either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge for a smooth installation. Other browsers, such as Safari or Firefox, may cause issues. Copy and paste the provided OneNote Importer link into your browser. Log into your Microsoft account or sign up if you don't have one. Once the OneNote Notebook Importer page opens with a purple Import button, click the purple button. Navigate to the folder containing your unzipped digital planner files. Make sure to select the entire folder, then click Upload. Step 4. Confirming the upload. You will see a confirmation message asking if you want to upload the files to your Microsoft OneDrive cloud account. Confirm the upload and allow the process to begin. The upload may take 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your internet speed. At the end of a successful upload, you will see a purple checkmark followed by a View Notebook link. If the process takes significantly longer and does not seem to finish, please refer to Microsoft's Import and Export OneNote Notebooks support page for troubleshooting assistance. Step number 5. Opening the digital planner in the web browser for the first time. By clicking the View Notebook link, you will open the planner in your web browser for the first time. You may encounter the following: page loading delays. This is normal, as the planner uses imported images as backgrounds. Misaligned hyperlinks. The clickable tabs may appear slightly misaligned, and the hyperlinks will display in blue. Once you open the planner in the OneNote desktop application on your PC or Mac in the next step, the hyperlinks will appear as intended, properly aligned with their corresponding tabs and seamlessly blending with the planner's colors. Step number 6. Opening the digital planner in the OneNote desktop app. To open the digital planner in the desktop version of OneNote, go to the top right corner of the OneNote web browser and locate the editing tool with a pencil icon. Select the last option, Open in Desktop. Once the planner opens in the desktop app, there may be a slight delay when loading planner pages and images for the first time. This delay occurs only once. When you reopen the same page, the image background will load immediately. Additionally, hyperlinks will be precisely aligned with their tabs, seamlessly blending in shades of gray and teal for a stylish yet professional appearance. Step 7. Hiding the author's initials. For a cleaner, more professional look, it is recommended to hide the author's initials. These initials are small identifiers next to edits or content created by different users in a shared notebook. Here's how to remove them. Click View on the top ribbon on the native OneNote for Mac app. Find the option Hide Authors and click on it. This will remove the author's initials from all text boxes, enhancing the overall appearance of the planner. This concludes the installation process using the OneNote Importer tool, which should primarily be used by Mac users with an iOS-based laptop or desktop. Additionally, it may be used in the following exceptional cases: Android users who only have a tablet and do not have access to a Windows-based PC. OneNote for Windows users, if this is the only version available on your PC. However, the easiest alternative for OneNote Windows 10 users would be just installing another version of OneNote from Microsoft 365 or Office Suite that opens one PKG file. Both versions can be used in parallel on your PC. For further details on installing the planner on a Windows-based desktop or laptop, please watch our dedicated installation video for Windows users. Please leave your questions in the comment section or email us directly. Thank you for watching.